constituency. With scheduled areas completely exempted, this implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act will not impact Meghalaya much, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Manipur Chief Minister Singh launches helicopter passenger service, also inaugurates two base temporary garages of Nambol and Loitang Kuno fire substation. And in cricket, Delhi Capitals to take on Gujarat Giants in the Women's Premier League at Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi at 7:30 p.m. tonight. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.
Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone for 3 semiconductor plants worth rupees 1.25 lakh crore. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lays the foundation stone for 3 major projects to ensure beautification and decongestion of Shillong city. Meghalaya police foils attempt of HNLC to carry out IED blasts in Shillong, and Nongpo, 4 members of outfit's sleeper cell arrested. Shillong All Faith Forum meets Meghalaya Chief Secretary, expresses concern over issues faced by residents of border areas. And KSU and border residents demand removal of prohibitory order along the border areas in West Jaintia Hills. The news in detail. In a move to enhance India's semiconductor ecosystem, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday laid the foundation stone for 3 new semiconductor plants, 2 in Gujarat and 1 in Assam. Tata Group will set up 2 out of the 3 plants. PM Modi participated virtually in the events India's Techade, Chips for Viksit Bharat, where he announced the establishment of the 3 semiconductor facilities with a planned investment of about rupees 1.25 lakh crore. The semiconductor industry in India is still in its nascent stages, with several local and multinational companies keen on tapping into its vast potential. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday laid the foundation stone for 3 major projects which are expected to ensure beautification and decongestion of the capital city. The Chief Minister laid the base for development of parking infrastructure under Shillong Smart City Private Limited to provide parking space for 465 vehicles with a total outlay of rupees 90 crore. A parking lot will be developed at Polo Market Junction. A mechanized multi-level car parking will be constructed at Vivekananda Road near the Additional Secretariat, while the third one will come up at the Polo Commercial Complex. Additionally, he also laid the foundation of the Wards Lake Promenade, under which 1.2 kilometer of stretch opposite the lake will be developed to include plaza, shops, vending zones, parking space and a restaurant.
The Memo Lake at Williamnagar and at Vesupalpara.
Everybody, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Director, Urban Affairs Department.
Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very, very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner, where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.
In a joint operation, the East Khasi Hills and Ribhoi police managed to foil the attempt of the proscribed Henutrep National Liberation Council to carry out IED blasts in Shillong and Nongpo. The police said on Tuesday that about 6 p.m. on Monday, an IED was recovered from a pickup vehicle detained on the Umsning Mauhati road. It was being driven by one Damanbha Ripnar. According to the police, an active sleeper cell of HNLC consisting of 4 accused persons was subsequently busted by the police. The police seized 15 gelatine sticks, 167 splinters, a safety fuse wire, 3 non-electric detonators and 5 mobile phones from the possession of the arrested sleeper cell members. The Oral History Association of India organized a conference, Mountain History at the Intersection of Memory, Politics and Identity, at Nehu today. The conference aims at unraveling India's regional histories and cultures, emphasizing the neglected narratives from mountain communities. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Conrad Sangma expressed his happiness to attend this conference, even as he added that human beings are here in the world to discover future. The conference focuses on mountain studies, cultural histories and politics through oral histories and challenging categories like tribal and indigenous.
Together and there were filmmakers
to request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly.
We thought that
academicians today don't go to. It's about immense
Request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly. Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
in Norges, the mountains and the hills and the stream, the flora and the fauna. Who will discover? Therefore, today, it's my request to all academicians, research scholars, like all the scientists and the philosophers. I think here, we are here, not to invent only, but we are here to discover first. There are many what you call human speaking language, dialogue. They existed, spoken by the human beings, many tribes, has already been extinct.
The members of the Shillong All-Faith Forum met Meghalaya Chief Secretary Donald Philip Walang to discuss about issues faced by the border residents of Meghalaya with Assam. SAF Vice President N. Bhattacharjee informed that they have apprised the Chief Secretary about the situation, even as they have stressed that peace should prevail not only in the state but also in the borders. Meanwhile, SAF President Reverend Bishop Purely Lingdaw said that Shillong has been and is a land of peace. Lingdaw said that even the media has the responsibility to build up peace and harmony in the state.
This is our appeal to all residents of the state, is for us, members of SAF, and together with all of you media people. You have a great responsibility. Pimpinan ka kamaram, kumunong inyatay, built up ya ka jingsuk, ya ka jingalong, ya ka jingasoto, ya ka jingalong kaway, haganiga, jala ka jome. It is only with peace and harmony that we can live together, we can grow together, we can prosper together. Kalau pengidon ke jingsuk, ke jingalong kaway, ke jingasoto jemut, ilak punya emlang, im salang, ilak punya sanlang, Panilaban niya, Roy pala.
Former BJP President Ernest Mauri has asserted that party workers want the ticket for Lok Sabha election from Shillong and Tura seats to be given to those who are from the party as they know its ideology. It may be mentioned that there are at least 4 aspirants for BJP ticket from Shillong seat. They include Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek, Fenela Nonglait, Mauri and a youth leader. Speaking to media persons here today, Mauri said that he applied for party ticket after party workers from the entire Shillong parliamentary constituency requested him to contest.
I was the state secretary, then I was the vice president during Bashir as the president, and I was the state president. So my association with the party is very long. And first and foremost, very important point to be highlighted here, anybody who contests from the BJP, first and foremost they should know the ideology of the party. And that's why the demand has come from the party workers all over the Shillong parliamentary seat, even for all around the Shillong. They want that anybody who contests from BJP, they should be from the party and they should know clearly the ideology of the party. That is the demand of the party Karyakarta and the members of the party.
The Khasi Students' Union War Jaintia Circle along with 7 Darbar Shnong villages met the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills, B.S. Solia, and requested for the removal of the prohibitory orders imposed a month ago to prevent trans-border crime along the border areas. The order restricted activities and movements near the border to prevent smuggling and illegal activities. The NGO, however, said that there are better ways to address these issues without infringing on the rights of the local people, even as they added that the move has affected the livelihood of the people residing along the border areas.
Khasi hadirin joni la ahi kata ga assurance nalian jomo ba unsumkya ban pan ki ground reality report habide batni ke banta but nalor kani ga 144 unsau watta bigi taki kenan an ban te lakam ye kiti social anti social elements ni kiti illegal smuggling ini kini kam ki ba ta ya kata security le ne sovereignty jongga di India ni kum sang la dawan visi ba unbeng no ikani ga notification bala panjari but baun nom extension din bakut jong ne apa na borok ini sinong ki hapot kilometer ne ar kilometer re yakni chela rekam ku basang kilometer de kani directly kata ya ka sinong ka thau katra ka kata ya ka jing lai lu jing song lai lu nong lai nong wan hapot ka sinong lajong timi mingko ba tunban kata ka jing nong sinong hi ude ban em lai lu ka sinong lajong.
The Kambal Shulai eco-friendly crematorium of Saint Rai Jowai was inaugurated by Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla on Tuesday. This crematorium, situated at Klee Tirshi, is a collaborative effort of the Jowai Municipal Board and the minority community residing in Jowai town. The eco-friendly crematorium aims to provide a sustainable and environmentally conscious option for the community. Speaking on the occasion, Shilla also announced plans for the development of another crematorium soon for the benefit of the people.
और आपके जानकारी के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट 37 लाख अगर आप खुद से करेगा तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा शायद तो इसलिए हम लोग अर्बन डिपार्टमेंट के हेल्प से कुछ फंड मिला वैसे जोवाई में तो बहुत सा काम है पेंडिंग है लेकिन हम देखा कि आपका ये सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम है और आगे जाके भी और प्रॉब्लम होगा तो इस वजह से मैं अर्बन अफेयर डिपार्टमेंट का मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा इस गवर्नमेंट का शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने ये हमको अलाउ किया ये काम करने के लिए
The two-day marketing and promotional workshop under the scheme on studies for promotion and strengthening of black pottery at Tishang and Larnai village, West Jaintia Hills district, was organized by Rural Craft and Engineering Division at Tirchi Inn, Clare Tirchi, West Jaintia Hills. The main objective of this project is to make traditional industries more competitive with more market-driven, productive, profitable and self-sustained employment for traditional industry artisans and rural entrepreneurs. Dr. K. Venkata Rao, Deputy Director, Rural Craft and Engineering, said that the duration of the project is for 1 year and the project has been designed in 2 phases.
Kalong ka mo ko ikasan ka babahagi mani hadu sispa chongot baflairan mo kalunti ni thu pi no kam kamdi kam ka pasuk mo manta thila suthu ndi banong bastu bania thla kham suthu ka tu kane agane ka project ba pilong thi te lawan training ka tu kane flight jet na lem do pi mo pi banwan cha wada la sang tu atu ki institute la training mati su kalong gumno ka institute training nanti kelawan sebenarnya training hani senang jongki kebaya fair na kebaya level ke ya ki artisan ya ki master trainer nangka nangkam do kolong bagi la elam eti cekini ki exposure visit ke mo kini ki beri kuwi caka ke ki bonut bi spak hajar itu cluster bi kini sedang replot idon.
The Shooting Association of West Garo Hills achieved a significant milestone with the inauguration of a state-of-the-art 10-meter indoor shooting range at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School in Tura. The facility would be of great help for the young shooters who want to excel in shooting. PM Sangma, president of the association, while speaking on the occasion, emphasized the importance of such facilities to promote sports, particularly shooting, among the youth.
Coming up. So will this be able to train them properly?
Yes, we need to catching na singa adita sak member of Mochumate medalist John, Mr. John and myself. Aro Meghalaya Shooting Association, who is also the member of National Rifles Association. We are to advise Sonata, why don't you open what they call create an association for this, which will be very beneficial for the people of governments. When you mention angni no kosa meeting that chingen money association for form catching 2000 I think 15 or 16 mango unga aro we ko form catching chinga ma mang thanga baisa.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 22 degrees Celsius, the minimum 10 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 60%, while that in the evening fell to 40%. The forecast, light to moderate rain, is likely to occur at isolated places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone for 3 semiconductor plants worth rupees 1.25 lakh crore. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lays the foundation stone for 3 major projects to ensure beautification and decongestion of Shillong city. Meghalaya police foils attempt of HNLC to carry out IED blasts in Shillong and Phnom Penh. 4 members of outfit sleeper cell arrested. Shillong All Faith Forum meets Meghalaya Chief Secretary, expresses concern over issues faced by residents of border areas. And KSU and border residents demand removal of prohibitory order along the border areas in West Jaintia Hills. That's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.